In this video, I will help you find the best new headphones in 2024. Links to all the products we mention in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. At number 5, we have Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra Headphones Wireless, best for noise isolation. When it comes to the ultimate in noise isolation, the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra Headphones Wireless stand out as a top choice, enveloping you in a world of serene sound. Picture this. You slip them on, and suddenly, the hustle and bustle of the outside world fades away, leaving you with your own personal oasis of tranquility. The closed-back design, coupled with cutting-edge noise-canceling technology, ensures that unwanted disturbances are a thing of the past. These over-ear headphones not only excel in keeping external noise at bay, but also deliver a neutral sound with a dynamic transducer that brings your music to life. Whether you're working, traveling, or just unwinding at home, the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra Headphones Wireless provide a comfortable fit for extended wear. Plus, with a long-lasting battery, you can immerse yourself in your favorite tunes for hours on end without any interruptions. Experience the epitome of peace and audio clarity with these exceptional headphones. At number 4, we have Sony WH-1000XM4 Wireless, best for commuting. In the realm of perfect companions for daily commutes, the Sony WH-1000XM4 wireless headphones emerge as the undisputed champions, elevating your journey with unparalleled sound quality and noise-canceling technology. Picture this. As you step onto a bustling train or bus, the chaos fades away, replaced by crystal-clear music or podcasts thanks to the industry-leading noise cancellation. The ambient sound control adapts to your environment, ensuring you never miss a beat. The plush ear cushions provide a comfortable fit for extended wear, ideal for long commutes or flights. With touch sensor controls, managing your music or taking calls is effortless, keeping you connected while on the move. Additionally, the Sony WH-1000XM4 offers a seamless transition between devices, perfect for those who switch between their phone and laptop throughout the day. Say goodbye to distractions and hello to a new level of auditory bliss during your daily travels. At number 3, we have Anker Soundcore Space Q45 Wireless, best for bass lovers. For bass enthusiasts seeking an immersive audio experience, the Anker Soundcore Space Q45 wireless headphones stand out as the ultimate choice. These headphones offer a V-shaped sound profile that emphasizes deep, powerful bass and crisp treble, perfect for those who enjoy a dynamic listening experience. The adjustable active noise cancellation feature allows you to customize your level of immersion, whether you're in a bustling office environment or on a noisy commute. The over-ear design with closed-back ear cups helps to create a truly immersive soundstage, enveloping you in rich, detailed audio. Additionally, the Anker Soundcore Space Q45 wireless headphones support multi-device pairing, making it easy to switch between your phone, tablet, or laptop without any hassle. The long battery life ensures that your music sessions can last for hours on end, whether you're relaxing at home or on the go. With these headphones, you can dive deep into your favorite tracks and feel the thumping bass like never before. At number 2, we have Anker Soundcore Life Q30 Wireless, best for long battery life. With its remarkable battery life, the Anker Soundcore Life Q30 wireless headphones stand out as a top choice for those seeking extended listening sessions without interruption. These headphones boast an impressive 40-hour playtime on a single charge, ensuring that your music accompanies you throughout the day without the need for frequent recharging. Whether you're traveling, working, or simply relaxing at home, the Anker Soundcore Life Q30 wireless headphones provide the freedom to enjoy your favorite tunes for an extended period. Not only do these headphones offer exceptional battery life, but they also deliver high-quality sound with active noise cancellation, immersing you in a captivating audio experience. The comfortable over-ear design and customizable sound profiles further enhance your listening pleasure, making them a versatile companion for various activities. Say goodbye to the hassle of constantly recharging your headphones and embrace uninterrupted music enjoyment with the Anker Soundcore Life Q30 wireless headphones. At number 1, we have Focal Bose Wireless, best sound experience over Bluetooth. Paving the way for unparalleled sound quality over Bluetooth, the Focal Bose wireless headphones redefine the audio experience with their premium features and dynamic EQ preset. These headphones deliver an exceptional listening experience, allowing you to immerse yourself in your favorite music like never before. The closed-back design and noise-canceling technology create a pristine audio environment, free from distractions. With support for the aptX adaptive codec, you can enjoy high-quality audio streaming with every session. The Focal Beatty's wireless headphones boast a long battery life, ensuring that your music never has to stop. Additionally, the USB DAC mode provides high-resolution analog conversion for audiophiles seeking the best possible sound. Whether you're a casual listener or a dedicated music enthusiast, these headphones offer a blend of luxury and performance that's sure to impress even the most discerning ears.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. You can find the links in the description to all of the products we mentioned in this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.